Good morning, Tube. Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Saturday, guys. Today's game day. Today's the day we make our money. If you're not up right now, I don't know what to tell you.
Every day is snowing since I was told that you don't want me. Baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
So yesterday we talked a little about being consistent and about, you know, how in order for you to be successful in this business, you need to be consistent every single day, not just with your work, not just with your haircuts, but also in the way that you run your business. And I'm not just talking about the shop that you work at. I'm talking about yourself as a business. You know, like how do you promote yourself? How do you make sure that you're getting customers by handing out business cards, by, you know, making contacts on Instagram and putting yourself out there. You got to stay consistent with that, guys. You can't always blame your shop if you're slow. If you're slow, you know, like I've always told barbers, there's different levels of barbering, and you have to progress through every level. You know, at my shop, there's a guy that's just getting started. He's just barely he's barely my apprentice. You know, he's only a couple of months in. You know, that's the lowest level. You know, you got to climb yourself through the levels, guys. You got to climb yourself through the levels of knowing, of experience, of all of that. As you progress, you will get better, and your value at the shop will go better, and you will make more money, and therefore increasing your value at the shop. You know, and that's just the way it is in this business, guys. So my point is, stay consistent, show up every day, do your job, do the best you can, and everything will work itself out. That's my inspirational quote for this morning, guys. I'm gonna head inside already here. I have 2 appointments, one at 7:30, and one at 8:30, at 8 o'clock. And then after that, it's pretty much walk-ins. I think I got a couple of father-sons in the afternoon, so I'm gonna stay busy today for sure. With that being said, guys, you guys have a blessed day, and let's grind.
I don't have time to brother, okay.
service around here.
You're welcome, Marv. You're welcome, Marv.
Pizza's good too.